Hi everyone, I just thought I'd give a quick rundown of what I'll be taking with me on a Pennine Journey next week. First time I've done one of these equipment run through things, but they seem to be quite popular, so there you go. The main thing will be the Osprey rucksack, backpacking one, and in that I've got a head torch for the evenings. I've got some wipes for a tent wash, smidge net for the mozzies and the midges, smidge. And what I've done is I've taped some black Gorilla Tape around there, so if I need to fix things, I've got that's easy accessible. It can just I can tape anything up, fix things, do a quick fix. I've got some gel there, tissues, lip screen. I've got some sachets of coffee, hot chocolate, got some sunscreen, a pair of really lightweight flip-flops that are only £1 from Asda. I've got the Pennine Journey book that I'll be taking with me, a pair of gloves that I thought I'd put in because I'm not convinced that I'm not going to need them at some point, double plug for charging. I'm also starting off with taking a few meals with me. All it is instant porridge oats. You just add the hot water to. They come in like a little plastic tub. I just took them out of there and put them in a bag. Then I've just got some pasta and sauce that just uses hot water, and I scrunched up a pot noodle. That in this bag here, it's actually just a pot noodle taken out of the pot and scrunched up a bit. So I've just got 4 meals and a sachet of pasta as a spare, just in case. And hopefully that will do, because there'll be shops on the way. I'll be able to stock up on the way. There's no point taking too many meals with me. It's just no point. This is a little first aid kit in here. I've got some painkillers, moleskin in case of blisters, blister plasters, co-op so make, but they're pretty good, zinc oxide, I find that sticks the best, some deep heat, what else? I don't need ibuprofen gel. I perhaps don't need both of them, so I might take one out. Some Vaseline, on some extra strong painkillers. These are prescription only though, so I don't recommend. And some Sudocrem, no, not, yeah, Savlon antiseptic cream. And then my little pen knife that's got scissors and a nail file on as well. They're quite handy for cutting blister plasters to size and cutting zinc oxide. Sleeping bag is actually the Van Gogh Venom 225. It's quite old now. I actually bought it through the MDS in, so I haven't really used it since, but yeah, it seems okay, and it was really lightweight but also quite warm. Waterproof trousers will be going to be essential, looking at the forecast. A lightweight fleece, glasses case, microfiber towel for showers, power bank for charging. I've got in there, I've got a lightweight t-shirt and a really lightweight pair of leggings for evening wear, which I'll sleep in as well. Cooking, a gas cylinder and jet oil, and a cup that pops out from a little disc there. Quite neat. In this bag I've got my wash kit, which is a sponge thing for showers, contact lens solution, got some spare contact lenses in there, a little comb, some universal wash stuff, some conditioner. Universal wash stuff is for me and my clothes, a little tube of toothpaste and a little fold up toothbrush, and some moisturiser. I've got this is an airbed with a built-in pillow. It's quite light and quite compact. You see, it's not that much bigger than the jet boil. I've got some water purification tablets I'm going to take, so that I can, you know, if I run out of water I can purify some more. One walking pole I'm taking. I'm not bothering with two. One's normally fine. Tent. Van Gogh Nova 200 tent. The camera I'm taking is my Canon bridge camera, which you can't see because I'm filming with it. I'm going to take GoPro as well. Then there'll be the leads to charge them. Then I'm going to take in here a spare set of walking clothes. Just 2 sets because I'm going to be washing them through. And the guidebook. I've got a soft map case which you can't see because I don't actually know where it is at the minute, so I guess I better try to find it, that they're going to go into. And boots, Merrill boots. They're quite lightweight and flexible, which is what you need for a multi-day hike. Now some people I noticed have started using trail shoes, which I might consider. So anybody got any recommendations, then let me know. Then I've got another little pouch here that I'll have my wallet in, and the leads to charge things will be in my camera bag, and I think that's about it. Oh yeah, I've got a new bladder, a Spell & Osprey bladder, but I'm planning on only taking like 1 litre in there and then take an empty water bottle so I can purify 1 litre as well, so I'm not carrying too much with me. Then there'll be the normal snacks, packed lunch. Oh, and the waterproof jacket, that's not here, it's a spray away jacket. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So yep, wish me luck because it's very soon now.